right, guys. Please tell me that you've read Theory C before coming to watch this video. It's about graphs and ratios. So we already know that this is a ratio table because 4 kilograms cost 5 euros. So 2 kilograms will cost 2 euros and 50 cents and 1 kilogram will cost 1.25 because we divide by 2, we divide by 2. To go to 8, we multiply times 8, we multiply times 8, etc. When you put these points, the coordinates, into a graph, 4 is 5, 2 will be 2.5 because between 0 and 5, 10 will be 12.50, you will get a straight line through the point 0.0. So no 0 kilograms is 0 euros. That's what it means. This is very important. Repeat after me. A ratio table gives a special graph. This graph is a straight line through 0, 0. Now you. Exactly. So very important that a ratio table gives a special graph, and this graph is a straight line through the point 0, 0. There's a special relation between the weight and the price. So this is exactly what you've seen here in the ratio table. You can see that when you multiply the weight by 3, you always multiply the price also by 3. This is called proportionality. Proportionality, yeah? The price is proportional to the weight of the potatoes. In Dutch, you can say evenredig. De prijs is evenredig tot het gewicht van de aardappelen. Evenredig, okay? Proportional. So, evenredigheid, proportionalities. Proportionality gives a ratio table. That's what you've seen up here. The graph of a proportionality is a straight line through 0, 0. And if you multiply 1 by 2, 3, 4, then the other also needs to be multiplied by that same number. Very important. Now, let's have a look at exercise 73. Of course, right along with me, I will help you make a start. So, 100 grams of chocolate costs 2 euros and 50 cents. The first question is, Lisa buys 250 grams. How much does she have to pay? Always make the ratio table, guys. So you know, grams of chocolate to price. Okay, you know 100 gram is 2 euro and 50 cents. Then we want to know 250. Well, you have a calculator, use it. Because you can actually immediately go to 250 because then you multiply times 2.5. So you can choose that, go to 250 immediately. Or if you're not sure, sure, you can go to 50 first. That is like divided by 2. Oh, it's not in the camera. Divided by 2, which gives you 220. And then you go to 250, which is fine. Times 5, you multiply times 5. Oh, here we go again. Not kidding, I know this. And this will become 11. 11 euros. Yes. Ha. Okay, so B now. How much does she have to pay? 11 euros. Dennis buys 400 grams of chocolate. Okay, let's go. Let's write 400 here. Well, you calculate it yourself now. Times what? And then you find out for yourself what it has to be, okay? So that you do yourself and you write the price here eventually. Then is the amount you have to pay proportional to the weight of the chocolate. Well, yeah, you basically pay for every gram. When you go to the candy shop, you pay for 1 gram, 2 grams. So yes, it is proportional. And then complete the table, draw the graph, draw the horizontal axis up to 500. So complete the table, that means copy this, what you see, this table, copy it, fill it in, and then we go to the graph. So we always know you go from formula, but we don't have that right now. You can generate one, by the way. If you know chapter 4, you can generate a formula, by the way. That's a really good question. So I want you to think about it. Generate the formula. It's pretty tricky. I'm really curious what you guys come up with. But indeed, then you go to the table and then the graph. What will the graph look like? I'll assist you a little bit. Draw the horizontal axis up to 500 gram. Horizontal. So of course, you use your geometric triangle. I'm just going to sketch. So I am allowed to do it without a geometric triangle because I will sketch. So it's going to look like this. Here is 0. And you want to go to 500 grams. So you can go 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. This way, I have space for 50, 150, etc. And this is going to be price. So I want you to think about the vertical axis by yourself. Look at the prices of the chocolate, and then you can decide what steps will you take. All right? So, woo,